Hi guys, this is Marin from Nokiamob blog and it's time for another unboxing. This time we have ZEISS VR1 Plus that our good friends from ZEISS sent us for a test, and I will unbox this now. This is actually not my first time with some VR glasses. Actually this was the first time, and as you can see it pretty sucks. So let's see what ZEISS made. Let's see the box. It's rather beautiful as it is their product. This is VR1, so this is a mobile virtual reality headset featuring superior optics made by ZEISS, and it's designed for 4.7 to 5.5 inch smartphones, so you can play some VR games, play 360 videos there and much more. You have apps on Google Play and App Store. So some virtual reality headset inside. Let's see. It can offer razor sharp images across the visual field, large size lens support most pupil distances, and you can wear your eyeglasses. And also, if you use the Google Cardboard apps, you can just scan this and get your visual experience optimized. Let's open it. Okay, so I need to cut these two stickers there and there. The box is rather nice. It has quite nice message: VR for everyone. This is probably to hang it in the stores. Let's open it here and there. Oh, the product presents itself right away. So what it is offering, let's see it like this. Okay, so it looks good. Here are my two kids next to me helping me unbox this. So we have beautiful VR headset there. I just take it out of plastic. Okay, this looks rather nice. You probably stick your phone there, okay, and put it back. I will do another video where I will place the phone and tell you how to use it. It's designed nicely, nice polycarbonate plastic. Will you pull this? Help me. Oh, thank you. It looks nice. So your phone is there. You see the lens, ZEISS lens there. It has the nice rubber that goes on your face. Another thing in the box are the straps that go above the head and on the sides to keep it nicely firmly on your head. Okay, what else do we have here? We have a box, or the cube. Let's see. So we'll see what's this for. And also, let's see the cube. Okay, so this is the cube. Create. Imagine. Oh my god, this is for Grammy meme. Explore. Dreams. Okay. And we have the headset manual that will tell you how to set it up. So you have the straps, paper cube for VR1 AR app. I will download that later. Okay, universal tray. You open the tray, you place your 4.7 to 5.5 inch screen, put it inside, and that's it. It needs to be in the middle. Okay, we'll see that later on and test it. So that's all in the box. I will give you another video to show you how this all functions. This is it for the unboxing. See you guys, and thank you, ZEISS. Bye bye.